What's the meaning of amoeba? Amoeba. 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 Amoeba.
Amoeba, or amoeba, is a type of single-celled organism that belongs to the phylum Amoebazoa. Amoebas are characterized by their ability to change shape and move using pseudopodia, which are temporary extensions of their cytoplasm. These organisms are found in a variety of habitats, including freshwater, soil, and marine environments. Some species of amoebas can cause diseases in humans, such as dysentery and brain infections. Amoebas play an important role in nutrient cycling and are used in research for understanding cell biology and genetic processes.